Ndị be anyị ekene m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị si na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka i subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ Biafran Prime Minister MAZI Ekpa. O nwere ife okwu n'ilu akwụkwọ mma achọ ka unu ga-esi ya bụ ife ọ na-adọrọpụrụ anyị ifu nche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you, sir.
Person, you did something wrong and you did it illegally to kidnap somebody, which is against international law, then you have the temerity to ask the same international community to come for your help. So I don't know how you're going to answer this for me. Thank you.
I don't know what you want me to answer. We don't. We are not moved by the ICC or going to the ICC. We have submitted a lot of documents against Nigeria State and the human rights violation at the ICC. So, and if you have observed from the beginning, we have always wished that one day we will find ourselves at the ICC with these idiots and criminals. So we are going to deal with them there. So I'm going to have a way to do this. So I hope that they will pursue it and follow it up, so that one day, BIAFRA will appear at the ICC against Nigeria. Maybe something will happen there, so that they can listen to us, because they never listened to us for many years when we were getting killed by the Nigeria State. So if this will be the reason they will listen to us, then I think it's a welcome development. But you know one thing, Nigeria can never ever follow up for IC. All these things you see they are doing are just Jimmy, thinking that when they do that, someone Ekpa will run away. I am telling them that I am just starting. I am a co Nigeria. They have.
Anyway.
I have not done anything now. Just to make una just support the government. You see what Agama Nigeria and Hi.
Okay.
In fact, nobody knows the kind of way I came to this struggle with.
Okay, anyway. Yeah. Your Excellency, I want to ask you again, please. I hope you are still standing on what you said, that you will not listen to anybody until you see our leader, nnamdi Kanu, in Finland.
I still stand on that tomorrow. And even that particular thing may even change to become a tougher condition.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Excellency. I yield.
Thank you. Thank you, Mouthpiece, for that question. And we have Emmanuel Remigius. Emmanuel Remigius, please grab the mic. Emmanuel, are you there? Hope your network is good.
Thank you. Good evening, fellow Biafrans. Good evening, my Prime Minister. I am here to contribute. And first of all, I'm here to say thank you to the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile, because my Truth Views TV was disabled, and I was not even thinking that he will retweet, that people will follow me. I don't know who gave him the information, but I was very, very surprised when people told me that he tweeted about me. I said, wow, Chineke me chetenam. To be serious and sincere, I cried. But it is one of those things we must do to get Biafra. So my Prime Minister, my sincere thank you. I thank you. for what you did to me and to this struggle, what you continue to do to this struggle. One thing that I have to say here is not a question, because I listen to too many nonsense that I have listened to on social media. All these are propaganda. You said that Simon Ekpa is being sent by the North. Yet you that know that Simon Ekpa is being sent to the North, the same place that you are there, telling them that he was sent by the North, you are there telling them that honor.
Hey, watching your network. Hey, this is a powerful voice. We want to hear it all. Remy, am I the
Can
only one
you
that
hear
is
me?
not hearing him? Okay, go ahead. Start again. We missed you for
Okay.
20 seconds.
Okay. I said she is told the Biafra people, or they told the Biafra people, that our prime minister is being sent by the North and he works for the North. And the same program, inside the same program, here they are telling the people that he is working for the North. She is still in the same program, agitating for Ndibanos that send the prime minister, telling the people that on Abaji yes, but you told us that these people are the people that send the prime minister. Why are you becoming the mouthpiece of the same people that send the prime minister? You should be happy that he is fighting together with this area, and you should celebrate it. And now you are speaking, it pains you when you see him fighting with the same people he sees in the area. I don't know any brain behind this. So my prime minister, continue your good work. One thing I need you to tell me, not odogwu ihe menwuru can tell. Ọ bụghị by giri gara ihe a nna ahụ ha na-eme bụ ihe ndị ara. Agaghị m akwụkwọ, I'm not educated, and I cannot follow somebody who is not educated like me. Onye isi anaghị edu onye isi. Anyị amabaghị n'ime gota. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It is not by education. You just punctured the tire. That's what we call critical thinking. That's what is piloting the economy of every every nation that is doing well in the world. Critical thinking and innovation. I remember when I asked MAZI nnamdi, are we going to bring experts, Biafran's experts? Are we going to allow them to come and run the government when Biafra come? You know what he asked me? All of you watch the video, the broadcast. He asked me, Simon, you are doing very well in this your broadcast. Are you a journalist? Did you study journalism? I said, no. He said, you see, every Biafran is gifted. You don't need to go to school to study this and study that. But look at now, critical thinking. I don't even want to be talking about, there are mad, crazy people that when they talk, you don't need to, waste your time on them. Somebody said that when they bring a Igbo person, they will shoot his leg. And then when you bring a Hausa person, northern people, they will kill them. And then at the same time, they are shouting that I'm working for the Fulanis, I'm Fulani. So Fulani killing the Fulani people. Does that make sense? The same, it is not, that one is even more critical. What you said now, it means that you even listened very deeply to the nonsense that we're spewing on that program. Yeah, the more easier one is when they will tell you, when they will say they want to rendition Simon Ekpa and they are pushing to rendition, you say that the person who is working for Nigeria government and Nigeria government now want to rendition the person. Does that also make sense? And then when the thing fail, they will say, oh, they just use it as a stunt to put public awareness on him. They are not serious. Oh, have you seen where MAZI nnamdi, did you ever see where they were shouting now about MAZI nnamdi in the past? But MAZI nnamdi Kanu is not doing what we are doing today. MAZI nnamdi Kanu did not form government in exile. MAZI nnamdi Kanu did not constitute Biafra government institution in exile and the homeland. MAZI nnamdi Kanu was just the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, the group, right? A registered IGBO group, which is the reason some of you will say, you are not an oath member, you are not a registered member, you are not paying dues. But every person who is a Biafra is an indigenous person of Biafra. But this one you people are running is a registered organization where you say you did not pay dues, Samanapa did not take oath and all that. So MAZI nnamdi Kanu did not raise the Biafra Army, Liberation Army. MAZI nnamdi Kanu did not provide arms and ammunition for the Biafra Army to begin to defend Biafra land. MAZI nnamdi Kanu did not see that Biafra land is defended against the Nigeria terrorist state. MAZI nnamdi Kanu provided the security for the ESN, which was after the Fulani terrorists. He did not fight against Nigeria. I am fighting against Nigeria. That is the difference. I am advocating and liberating Biafra from the Nigeria terrorist state. There is two different things there. I want people to understand. In case if you don't know this, know it today. So the same people will come and tell you, I am working for Nigeria government. Yet, we are engaging them in Biafra land with a bomb. Because they come with bomb. They come with aircraft. They come with fighter jets to bomb us. And we are engaging them in the air. That is what is going on. MAZI nnamdi Kanu did not do that. Right? So when they come with all this nonsense, just laugh at them. These are people that are not, that doesn't have brain. So for you to even mention the issue of Nana Abandi, yes, you are in the, you got it deep. You went deeper. And that's what I call critical thinking, which we are going to have in Biafra land. Critical thinking. And the person who is telling you is educated, he doesn't even know when she was contradicting herself in the same program. At the same time, you are saying the person is working for you. So when I work consists of then they're using on I work for. Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. I don't want to even talk about that. The thing is that she knows that her own is gone with Onyendo. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir PM. My PM, did you listen to the part where somebody who raised the issue of zoo, and then she mentioned the Nigeria Zoo, and she was apologizing for calling Nigeria Zoo, and she said it was her very first time of calling Nigeria Zoo, and she was even almost apologizing.
Of course, she's never in the same page with MAZI nnamdi Kanu. So I don't want to talk about. People should talk about something else, please. So she will begin to feel that somebody is talking about her here. I don't talk about Chikiliki. Let me leave her to Adada Orama and go, please.
Thank you, PM. Remy, thank you. Remy, do you have another thing to? Okay, Remy doesn't have a question. He just
No. Thank you, my PM. God bless you.
Thank you, Remy. Thank you. Grab the mic. Your PM is here. Give the eulogy. You are welcome.
Wow! Hey! Oh, Jimmy! Obatobie inyanya. Yes! Nna m ka nkenegodu gị. In fact.
Ọ
na-eji ụkwa ya ihe ji ahụ ụzọ. Hey! Obatobie
ndị be anyị ekenekwanụ m unu kunu si na-esere na Igbo Media bụ ebe anyị si wetara unu ya bụ ozi dị oke mkpa ma site maka ya bụ ife Biafran Prime Minister kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa. Eke ife nwere ikwu gbasịta maka ya bụ ife ndị a niile okwu gasị dị iche iche dropụrụ anyị ife iche n'iru akwụkwọ na comment section na Igbo Media. Ndị be anyị asị na n'Igbo ya adị na ya dị ka echi ada agwụ ọgwụ. Ise. Thank you and God